together. We've seen them last year. It was an amazing performance. They record their own songs. They've got 16,000 streams on Spotify. They've made it, they played around South Wales, Cardiff, Bristol and beyond, and now they're in North Wales. So give them a warm welcome to SLAK.
Took some time to make today 500 things I could never say. What about the places that we go? What about the things that we don't know? And I'm sorry that you're gone in a differentiated worlds. And I know just what you're on, and I know just what you want. It's just a simple type of way to find out if I can stay. If you're here now, come and let me in. It's what you wanna do, or it can begin. And I'm sorry that you're gone in a differentiated world. And I know just what you're on, and I know what you, and I'm sorry that you go in a differentiated world. And I know just what you're on, and I know just what you want.
Thank you very much. Right, how's everyone doing today? We're SLAK, we're from Pembrokeshire College. We've got a set of originals for you today. This next one is called 361.
361, I read some foreign tongues on the barrel of my gun. And when you find yourself in the moment of despair, I came to realize I was never even there. I was never really there. Mortgages, 1016. Somebody tell me where I've been. find yourself in the moment of despair. I came to realize. Tell me why. Tell me why. Be patient, watch the outcome of the dream. The open cry, the more there is to see. The silence of an empty room, flickering lights, dark pursuits. Who knew they knew? Thank you.
Right, this next one's called Trophy.
Just want to say good luck to all the other bands that play today.
Free from falling to the edge of the line, but I keep my trophy at the top of my shrine. I found myself with a lump in my throat every time you come from miles of road. I'm free from falling, yeah, we're going out of line. Well, I feel you spinning out. I feel you spinning out. My head is on the ground. Oh, I feel you spinning out. I keep on talking about where I've been, and I can't stop showing people what I've seen. And I'm free from falling to the edge of the line, to the edge of the line. What you fighting for? Oh yeah. What you fighting for? Oh yeah. What you fighting for? Oh yeah. What you fighting for? Whoa, I feel you spinning out. I feel you spinning out. My spinning out.
She's had too much to drink, can't even speak to blink. You know he's gone too far, running into the wrong.
Oh, I feel you spinning out. Free from falling to the edge of the line, but I keep my trophy.
Thank you very much. Good luck to all the other bands today. We've been SLAK. Thank you.
Give it up for SLAK.